Break you that what the hell camera.
No, man.
Okay, I was
This is for you.
I was okay. I don't
This
need
is
that.
for you. No, here, just take it.
No, you're just joking. Don't worry.
नमस्कार साथीहरु, स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा। आज मैले एउटा विषयको कुरा लिएर आएको छु। अहिले तपाईहरुले सामाजिक सञ्जालमा छापछाप्दै भाइरल भइरहेको एउटा विदेशी ब्लगरमाथि नेपालीले गरेको अत्याचार चाहिँ तपाईहरुले देखिराख्नु भएको होला। त्यो के हो कसो हो त्यो मलाई एक्ज्याक्टली थाहा छैन। तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ भने कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला। तर मैले त्यो क्लिप देख्दाखेरि चाहिँ मलाई अलिकति हामीले नेपालीहरुले गर्ने कुराहरु केही मात्रामा चाहिँ अलिकति चित्त नबुझेको कारणले चाहिँ मैले यो भिडियो बनाएको हो। साथीहरु, एउटा विदेशी मान्छे आएर हाम्रो नेपाललाई के प्रमोट गर्न खोजेको समयमा नेपालीहरुले त्यस्तो व्यवहार देखाएपछि चाहिँ विदेशमा हाम्रो नेपाल प्रतिको नेगेटिभ असर पर्ने भएकोले कृपया त्यसो नगरिदिनु होला भन्न चाहन्छु। साथीहरु, तपाईहरुले सायद यो भिडियो देखिसक्नु भएको होला, तैपनि तपाईहरुले एकचोटी हेर्नु होला र प्रतिक्रिया दिनु होला। यदि नेपालीले त्यसो गर्नु राम्रो हो कि होइन त्यो पनि कृपया कमेन्ट बक्समा कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला। मैले बुझे र मैले देखे अनुसार चाहिँ एउटा विदेशी ब्लगर चाहिँ पिकनिक स्पोर्ट्समा पुग्छ अनि पिकनिक खादै गरेकोमा गएर उसले पनि त्यहाँको खानाहरू टेस्ट गरेर हुन्छ। अनि त्यतिबेला चाहिँ एकजना नेपाली आएर चाहिँ उसलाई गाली गर्ने कराउने भिडियो किन खिचिस भन्ने खालको व्यवहार देखाएको छ। कृपया तपाईहरु आफै हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
It's really good. Can I try the chicken, please?
Okay.
Thank you. So we also got the chicken curry.
Nepali word.
Oh, धन्यवाद.
Give me some rice.
Give me some.
जति पैसा लियो नत्र म भोलि आएर धर्ना बसेर लिने हो।
Kiri rice.
मसँग जति पैसा लेके त्यति यसमा लिने भयो लियो नत्र मसँग भोलि यो नेपाली कुनै बुझ्छ।
I don't know what you're saying. What do you saying?
त्यो टोनै हुन्न त्यो त्यसले हुन्छ स्ल्याङ। टोन दियो हुन्छ।
Chicken?
No.
Chicken.
This rice.
Mutton?
Yeah.
Mutton?
No, I'm okay.
This
I'm
rice
okay.
costs 1500 rupees. If you have 1500 rupees, pay it. Otherwise, you have to wash all the dishes.
Oh, watch the dishes.
All the dishes.
Oh my goodness.
Otherwise, we are going.
I gotta run.
Hang up. We are going to take your motorcycle.
Oh, you gotta pay for it. I pay
First
5,000.
of all, you have to pay for this.
This boy is speaking English.
Oh, how are you?
No, I'm not joking.
Finish my food.
I'm going to break you that what the hell camera.
No, man, I'll pay. Don't worry. I'll
You have to
pay.
pay.
Don't worry.
Pay first and then record.
You got a problem.
First thing is you have not taken my consent to record. So, I'm going to sue you. You have not taken any consent to record that.
Sir, you
have
came
you
to
taken
me.
my consent to
You
record
came
my
to me,
video?
sir.
Have you taken my consent to
Alright,
record the video? Throw that out. Have you
Like-
taken my consent to record my video? Is that necessary or not? Is that necessary or not?
Like, I'm
don't know the moral.
I'm just trying to eat.
It's okay, come.
Alright, I'll leave. I'll pay for it. Don't worry.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'll pay for it. Don't worry. Here you go. End it.
Excuse me. Sorry for that. Excuse me. We can finish.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Here. Here, take your money. Here. You want the money?
No, why?
No, he wants the money.
He don't. No. You just keep it. No.
He's not joking. Here.
He's joking.
No, I'm not joking. What joking?
Here. How much you want? How much you want?
No. Why?
Yeah, I'll pay. Come on. Here. Here, I'll pay for it.
त्यसले मेरो भिडियो खिच्न अगाडि सोध्नु पर्छ
Here. Pay for it.
मेरो लिमिट के
No, I'll pay. I'll pay.
Please, no. It's a prank on you.
Prank only.
I don't.
My friend.
This is like.
No. He's just joking.
Yeah.
No, I'm not joking.
Actually, I am joking.
Yeah.
But
I'm
you
not
must learn the
Hey,
morality.
no.
Okay?
No.
You must
I'll
learn
take
the
it.
morality. Before taking videos, you must take a consent. Okay? I'm not joking. You have eaten. That's
No,
okay.
this is
That's
you.
okay. I
This
was
is
joking.
for you.
I was joking. I don't
This
need
is
that.
for you.
That is
No,
100 rupees, yaar.
Oh, you want 4,000 here? Oh, 2,000 here. Here. You want 1,000 here?
No. That
Here,
doesn't
take
matter.
it.
This cost 150,000.
Okay, I don't
I'm not
care.
asking for your
I don't
money.
care.
Okay?
Here. Let's take
I'm
it.
not asking for your
Let's
money.
take
I
it.
was joking.
Here.
Why?
But
No.
what I'm telling is,
Here.
Who asked you?
Here, just take it.
No, he's just joking. Don't worry.
No, he's not joking. I'm not joking.
Bro, it's
Here, just take it.
Keep it. Actually, he's right. You just keep it. There is nothing. There is nothing.
I mean, if he wants the money, I'll give it to him. I'm not.
No, we don't need any money.
I'm not joking. I mean, I'll give him the money.
no.
No,
But
it's okay. It's okay.
yeah, like I said, I was trying to enjoy my time. Like I said, but
सो साथीहरू भिडियो हेरिहाल्नु भयो तपाईँहरूलाई कस्तो लाग्यो कृपया कमेन्ट बक्समा कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला यसो गर्नु राम्रो हो कि होइन त्यो पनि तपाईँहरूले कृपया कमेन्ट बक्समा कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला र यस्तो व्यवहारले बाहिरी देशमा के सन्देश जान्छ त्यो पनि तपाईँहरूले कमेन्ट बक्समा कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला भन्दै आजको लागि भिडियो यही थियो कृपया च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला माया गरिदिनु होला सबैजनाले नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा भेट्नेको बाचाको साथ अहिले पनि बिदा हुन चाहन्छु धन्यवाद